you guys. So right now I'm walking towards the Ferris wheel. This is the newest addition to the St. Louis Union Station. They're also adding an aquarium. They have a new place called the St. Louis Soda Fountain, and they have a seafood place. So we're gonna check everything out, see what they got to offer. This is something new for St. Louis. They're doing a lot of renovations, so let's go check it out. Wow, you can see it changes colors too. That is so cool, and it's really big as well. I mean, that's a huge Ferris wheel. Look how beautiful that horse is, man. That is a beautiful looking horse. St. Louis Union Station. See right here, we got a nice line of cars right here. New Mercedes. Wow, this is beautiful. You see above. This is so nice. It really looks like something out of a movie scene. See the carousel. Nice carousel, very bright. Dude, that carousel is super bright, bro. Dude, that carousel is sick, look. Oh man, bring me back memories of my childhood. So right here you can see they have the St. Louis mini golf at Union Station. Got a lot of people over here playing. And it looks really nice. You got everybody back here having a good time. It's pretty big too. I like how they have the water fountains and stuff and all the rides. And then we have the lights above. It looks like a lot of fun. See, they're doing a firework. They're doing a fire show right now. Wow. Whoa, that's super cool. That's awesome. It matches with the song beat. So the fire is dancing with the song. That's cool. If you can't see, this is an actual lake, kind of like a little pond inside the building. See the water reflection right there? Yes, sir. Look how cool that is. See, they got different times for the fire show, so you come at these times and you get the fire show at the time. Yeah, I like how this light beam goes around the whole facility. So you got this little walkway that takes you to the hotel, and that's gonna be the aquarium right there. So you start walking towards the left, we have Landry's Seafood House. You go down this walkway that is yellow, takes you to the hotel. And right now I'm making my walk all the way around. So we made it to the other side. This looks like some sort of restaurant or bar that they're gonna make. They got fire over here. So we are on the other side. You can see the Ferris wheel really good and all the reflections. That's a really beautiful view, man. I just like how there's all the lights around here. And then right here is where the aquariums can actually be. You can see they have some kind of images of the aquarium. You see you got a shark and fish and a seahorse right there. So this is gonna be where the aquarium's gonna be at. Construction going on, but it's gonna be a really big aquarium. It's gonna be available in December. See the ceiling. Really unique looking look. Look at that view. I mean, look at all those lights. It's like you're at the lake and, you know, at a carnival at the same time. It's so weird, but it's awesome at the same time. So you see we got the fire over there, lights and all the trees, hotel on the side. I'm just in love with this view right here, man. This view is awesome. Look at that view. See everything going on. So we are at the soda fountain. They serve ice cream, candy, burgers, and booze. It's a 40-minute wait. There are too many people and I'm not feeling it, but if you want something sweet, come down to the soda fountain. Get a little cool view. Oh, look at that, that's awesome. I got the whole Ferris wheel behind me. That's an awesome view right there. Oh, wow. It really looks like something out of a movie, guys. Look at that. I'm in a carnival or something, a permanent carnival, because this stays, and this is something you can visit anytime you want. You know, it's not like a carnival that goes away on the truck. So right behind me, I got the Ferris wheel. Look how cool that is, man. Ooh. Wow. That's cool. Holy crap. Wow. I couldn't do that. That would burn my lips. I don't know how they're doing that. Wow. We got two of them doing it. Ooh. That's dangerous, man. Gotta be careful. If you get too close, you might burn each other. It appears that they're drinking gasoline, or
There's nothing drinking.
I think they're drinking gasoline. Hopefully it's 93 and not 85. What's the octane? The higher the octane, the bigger the flame. Just playing. Whoa. I don't know what that is, man. I don't know what that is, bro. But it could very well be gasoline they're drinking. I'm telling you, that's gasoline. All right, leave comments below. What you guys think they're spitting out? You think it's gasoline or water? Oh my gosh. They're observing the fire like they've never seen it before. What y'all looking at? You never seen some fire?
What?
You're a firefighter. He's literally a firefighter. You're fantasizing over some fire?
What? Just look at it, bro.
I got Andre with me, and we're going up on the Ferris wheel. It's a pretty big line, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit. All right, Andre. This is your first time on the Ferris wheel?
It is.
What, you excited?
Why is it like an interview for like something?
Well, it's the interview right before the Ferris wheel, so you know I like that. Look, man, look at that bokeh effect. What's behind you, the carousel moving, but we're gonna go on this Ferris wheel. Oh, some history.
Oh, the World's Fair.
We got the VIP entry. That's for us. We get first row seats. All right, we're almost to the front of the line. Look how close we got. People are getting out and getting in. Right there is where they control it on the right. All right, we made it to the front.
I've been in a ski lift that looks exactly
yeah,
like
ski lifts look like this. We're at the front right now, waiting to go on. Oh, this is awesome. So we just got on here. We're just inside. It's swinging a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of scary. Oh, you're making it swing. Oh my gosh, be careful. But you can see out here, you can see the street. They have air vents up here for fresh oxygen. But if there's an emergency right here, we're gonna click that red button in case something goes down. But oh my gosh, it's going. All right, chill. All right, we are taking off. You can see all the other carts in front.
Can we open this?
Don't try to open that. You see, we're not that high up yet. You can see people walking down, but we still have a little bit to go. What's cool is they got this ladder right here in case it gets stuck. So at least you know you're safe. Wow, we're slowly going higher. Whoa. This is pretty freaking high. Whoa. We're going quick. I didn't think.
We're gonna get a sick shot of the
Oh yeah, we will. Oh my gosh, look, you can see all of St. Louis right there. You see the parking lot. Well, it's kid, bro. Did you fart? Dude, don't fart in here. Holy crap. Open that, man. You've been farting everywhere. He's opening, look, don't open those. It says emergency ventilation only, bro. Bro, I'm freaking out. Yo, you're moving this. Look, it's literally moving. Stop. We're really high up right now. Stop. Chill. Stop. I'm getting really sick right now. This is scary. Look, we're literally moving back and forth. That's not right. This is scary. Chill. You can almost see the arch, but you can see all of the Union Station down. Look at the lights, though. That's a nice light effect from up here. You can see all those like strobes and stuff. Oh yeah. We're moving even higher. Oh my gosh, we're moving so high up. We're almost at the top. We're not there yet. Wow. Yep, we're almost at the top. You can really see St. Louis downtown. That's the arch right there. Oh my gosh, and look below. We're so high up here. Oh, yo, we're pretty high up, man. I'm kind of like scared of heights. I'm getting a little nauseous. Oh my gosh. We're pretty high up, man. This is crazy. All right, we're moving up again. I'm calmed down a little bit. I'm not gonna panic the viewers. It's a very enjoyable ride, guys. This is extremely safe.
Here's the very top.
Okay, yeah, this is the very top right here. Look at that. Downtown St. Louis. Yep, this is 100% the very top. We have made it to the top seat. Nothing above us here. We are at the top. So you have all downtown right there. That's where we were down there. We are so high up. See the Edwards Jones Dome, the Arch, Slough, the biggest federal court building in the U.S. right there as well. I mean, let's look around. What you think of it, Andre? Cool view, right?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Better than I expected.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
That's nice. And then right here on the other side, you can see St. Louis at night on this side. That's where we were waiting over there. You can see A lot of colorful lights going everywhere. That's downtown St. Louis without the reflections. I figured out how to make the reflections go like.
Yeah, have fun.
Yo. Downtown St. Louis, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful.
Dang, we're at the tippy top.
That is awesome. Look at that shot. We're at the top right now, going down. That's a really good shot of it. And we're going down. The descent down is super fast. Look at that. We're going really quick. It's almost like a roller coaster, right? Nah, you see, as you descend, you'll see how quick it is.
I like the original shot.
Yeah. All right, cool. Well, we just got off the Ferris wheel. Andre, what'd you think about the Ferris wheel? We got 4 rounds around. Huh?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. It was cool.
I've ever done in my
You
life.
liked it a lot? I thought it was a lot of fun. What'd you think of it? I know you went last time.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Look at that thing. It's awesome. Hecka cool. So right now, we're walking out of here. You can see the old trains that used to be at Union Station right here. I like that. That's a cinematic look right there. Look. Got the whole cart and then the railroad. Thank you guys for watching. I greatly appreciate all the support. Please consider subscribing below. Hit that thumbs up button and turn post notifications on. I think that the Union Station was beautiful tonight, and I really love all that's going on with this. So if you like this video, I appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.